Sites in the Dignity Human Rights Art Series, Artwork 52, The Martyrdom of Raffale Ciriello, Italian photojournalist, in March 2002 in Ramallah in the West Bank. Now completely framed, double framed. It's got an inside wood frame and then 4 different frame moldings around the brown wood frame. Start at the lower left here. Some of the close-up of the insects and allegorical sea monsters. And some reflection from outside light and lamps. That's okay. All right, there you have it.